In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Autocad to default settings. This process can be incredibly useful if you're dealing with persistent issues in your setup or if you simply want a fresh start without any custom configurations. Sometimes, after experimenting with different settings or having multiple users on the same computer, things can get a little messy. Resetting to default can bring simplicity and clarity back to your workspace. So let's jump right in and go through the steps to achieve this. First, you need to access the Options dialog box. There are two simple ways to do this. You can either right-click in the drawing area, which is the large space where you normally create your designs, and select Options from the context menu, or alternatively, if you prefer using the command line, type Options directly into it and press Enter. Both methods will take you to the same dialog box. Once you're in the Options dialog box, go to the Profiles tab. This tab is essential because it manages the different setups or configurations that you can switch between depending on your needs. Next, select the current profile that you are actively using. Make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if there are multiple profiles listed. After you've identified the active profile, click on it and you'll notice a Reset button become available. Click on that Reset button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision before proceeding. This is your chance to double-check that everything is correct before proceeding. If you're ready to reset, simply click Yes. And just like that, you've successfully reset Autocad to its default settings. Your workspace should now be restored to its original state, free from any custom configurations you may have had before. This reset can significantly improve your workflow by removing unwanted changes and bringing back that familiar, straightforward setup. If you find yourself starting fresh often or sharing a computer with others, this trick is a quick fix to revert to standard settings in Autocad. If you liked this, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.